Boot your photo editing software choice, open a file by the size of 2560 by 1440. Create a draft of your channel art approximately in the middle of the file. Export and go to YouTube Studio, Customization, Branding. Here you can change your banner image and see just how dysfunctionally your creation fits the given frames. Reframe your shenanigans and enjoy your new banner. Here's a cat. For profile picture, create a file of 500 by 500. Proceed to do your thing, and for those interested, I'll link the tutorial for the flashy glow effect in the description. Export, find your file, and congratulations, you've got new channel art.
As the final bonus, if you click the red button right below the video, you'll receive a 20% dig increase. Trust me, it's great.